Usually you would associate these delicious strawberries with a sweet dish, but in fact, strawberries work really nice in a savoury context too. And what I'll be making is a lovely strawberry and tomato salad for breakfast. And if you can serve this salad with some buffalo mozzarella, it really takes it to the next level. Now, when you're preparing this, be sure to bring your strawberries out of the fridge and now before chopping them. And that goes for tomatoes too. They both have a wonderful flavour when they're served at room temperature. So that's a nice, generous handful of strawberries. And then for the tomatoes, vine ripened cherry tomatoes. It's a lovely contrast in texture too, because the strawberries are going to be really soft and juicy. These are also going to be juicy, but they're also going to be crunchy. So cutting them in quarters, roughly around the same size as our strawberries. And now we'll mix them together with not sugar, but a little bit of salt. And then using your hands, mix them together. See how some of the moisture is coming out of them, and then they're also becoming really shiny. That's what we're looking for. So once that starts to happen, we can finish this off with a little bit of balsamic vinegar, match made in heaven, strawberry and good quality balsamic vinegar, just a little dribble, and really good quality extra virgin olive oil. So about a tablespoon of that. Now we'll give that a final mix. And that salad is ready to go. I have some char grilled toast. And then to serve this, we'll add a gorgeous strawberry and tomato salad on the top. And buffalo mozzarella, well, we're just going to break that in half. Look at that. Yummo. And just nestle on the top. And then all these gorgeous juices, little drizzle. There you go. It's not your average tomato bruschetta. This is taking it to the next level, adding strawberries, understanding that those two flavours work together, particularly if you've got a bit of buffalo mozzarella, that is going to shine.